In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to source hot selling items for drop shipping on eBay. A simple way to find strong product ideas is to look at what is already selling. Instead of guessing, you can use eBay's own search tools to see real buyer activity. In this example, we'll use watches, but you can repeat the exact same method with almost any product niche you want to explore later. To begin, go to eBay and type watch into the search bar. This gives you a broad starting point and helps you enter a market with lots of activity. Using a general keyword at first is useful because it lets you quickly see demand before narrowing down into specific styles, brands, colors, or features. If you're researching other products in the future, the same approach works best when you start with a simple keyword rather than something too specific. Once the search results load, click on Advanced. This is an important step because the standard search page only shows current listings, and that doesn't always tell you what buyers are actually purchasing. The advanced search area gives you access to more useful filters, which makes your product research much more accurate. If you're serious about sourcing items for dropshipping, learning to use this section well can save you a lot of time. Next, find and click on Sold Items. This is where the real value comes in. Sold listings show products that customers have already paid for, which gives you a much clearer picture of actual demand. That's far more helpful than just looking at active listings, because active listings may be overpriced, unpopular, or sitting unsold. When you review sold items, pay attention to patterns such as repeat product types, price ranges, and listing styles that appear often. After that, click Search. eBay will now display the sold results for watches, and from here, you can begin studying the market. Look through the sold listings carefully and notice which items seem to sell repeatedly. This can help you identify trends and understand what kinds of products buyers are responding to right now. You can also use these results to get a sense of pricing, which is especially useful when deciding whether an item has enough room for profit in a drop shipping setup. This process is straightforward, but it's powerful. By checking sold listings first, you're making decisions based on evidence instead of assumptions. Keep repeating this method with different product keywords, and over time, you'll get much better at spotting hot selling opportunities on eBay.